Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the first app you need. This places it in focus. Once done, hover over the Maximize button or press Win+Z to reveal snap layouts, because this lets you choose a precise zone quickly. Click the left or right half to snap the window, and make sure to note window previews. These control sizing and position. This step sets the foundation for a clean split, so take it deliberately. It prevents overlapping or tiny unusable panes. Next, pick the second app from the thumbnail suggestions or open it yourself. Windows shows alternatives so you can match tasks. Once visible, snap it to the opposite zone or drag its title bar to the screen edge to trigger a 1/2 layout. After both apps sit side by side, adjust the center divider to balance space. This changes focus and readability. If you prefer keyboard control, use Win+Left or Win+Right to move windows quickly. To finish, use Snap Assist to add more apps into 1/3 or 1/4 zones if you need extra panels. This is helpful for referencing multiple sources. Make sure Snap is enabled in setting system multitasking, because those toggles control behaviors like auto-adjust and window suggestions. If snapping stops working, restart Explorer. EXE or check display scaling and monitor arrangement, since odd DPI or extended displays often break snapping. One key tip: turn off third-party window managers if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.